After you open air duct, then I need a little room in here. You see, I have attached the hose. The fuel line is leaking. I put the JB oil or something, JB oil, but it's not working. So I have to repair this line because the fuel line is not available for Dodge Caravan 2012 or 11, whatever. But I have to repair this. That's the repair kit. I'll show you later. So I'm going to take this separate so I can get a little room. So now I got all this room. So I'm gonna maybe cut it in here or put the little piece. So I cut it in here with the saw blade. See this right here, so make it even. So I'm gonna attach another hose in here. You see, this is so ridiculous. That was right here like this. So it was like this. See this from here, but it's broke. See, this thing is split. So I can't find this hose. This hose goes all the way up to, see this in here. You can repair whole thing or you can replace, but the parts is not available for Dodge. I have to wait a couple months, they said, to get the part. So I decided to repair this. So I bought this repair kit. It's $5.16. You can get one of these. Just have you see this, and you have this for the joint and the opener. So this is too long. I didn't need whole thing. You see, this is the joint. Push all the way this up to here, and another side right there. So I have to push all the way up to here. So I'm gonna heat it up and little by little push this inside. After that, this side you'll just don't have to do nothing, just push it in like this. Yeah, just push it in. When you hear the click, you're good to go. After that, make sure on the joint there's no leaking or anything. This is very dangerous, so be aware of this. Make sure you don't put too much heat. Just hair dryer or something, just little by little push all the way up to here. So please be aware of this. This is the anything happen, the fuel coming out, running engine, so it will be big problem. So you see, I bought the wrong connector. This is that's the one straight, like not the band like this, straight one. That will be better, but I cut it already. See this? So I'm gonna make it bend in here. You can join there. So I'm gonna heat it up with the heat gun. Then I'm gonna bend it. Careful in here, there's a fuel line, so don't put any torch or anything for the heat this up. See this, I heat it up this and make a little band like this, boil like few minutes, 4 to 5 minutes, then it will be on this shape. See this, now it's little band shape, not the straight, so I can easily join in here. So with the heat gun, heat it up this, see right here, so heat it up, don't hit the line, just heat it up this one, it will go really smoothly. You see I put another one, just hit it up in here and push it in, it will go easily, even there easily. See this all the way in. Only thing I have to do just push it in. That's it. Just start it up. No leak or anything. Everything is perfect.